on the boulevard, baby.
This video was sent to me by the homie John Oron, Unity Car Club out in Belgium. Y'all go check out the homie Gwen's YouTube channel. Vamos.
Bumping in your trunk, call me bougie, nigga. LBC me, nigga. What?
Straight from Long Beach, where we get more naughtier than comedy. Can you stay round off handspring? Do your triple somersault? Fools will be flipped up short. Long Beach, right by the water. Respect is due when you walk through the borderline. If you don't, you might find your face in a gutter. Long Beach to get your wet.
The homie just whistled, gave us the signal. Back the fool with the pistols, pierced the gristle. Warm, where you at, homie? In the cut, he cock, beat for weeks, heat for blocks, techniques to rock the blocks. Unorthodox, cannon cock and bandit, nigga. I deli rock your planet, nigga. Scope out the vicinity, start separating. Those that's cool and those hating. Every nigga in between got 5 seconds to evacuate the scene. Yeah, hit the stash, nigga. What the fuck you wanna do? Talk or blast, nigga. Think fast, fast,
nigga
fast.
With a little gangsta love, gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love, gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love, gangsta love. Hit a nigga with a little gangsta love, gangsta.
Let's go to war. No, not with guns. Blast you with heat. Original beats, they run fast and faster. Master like P, or you could just say Master Warren G. I'm bout it, Heidi touted, and I doubt it. If I let another nigga take my tracks and reroute it, I truck more style. Like my Yukon, I puke on the rest of these niggas tryna contest.
Hold up, speaking of contesting, no, none of that. We get gas, speech technique, rat-a-tat-tat. Flat, naked, flat, pure, fat as fact. X mark the spot of the brutal vernacular. You drink stout like Dracula. Listen here, buddy, you'll be found left bloody. It's the beach nigga straight up. Before you hate up, get your weight up or get wet up. Now what up?
Yeah, OG. My nigga Warren G. That's my OG. G. My nigga Nate Dogg. My nigga Snoopy. My nigga RBX. Them my OGs. My real OGs. You up against the aces, nigga. It all takes place in many places, nigga. Several different faces, nigga. The streets can watch me, nigga. But the streets is up against corrupt Muammar Gaddafi, nigga. OG, Juggernaut, jagged edge, homie, 2 to the head as the sprinkle spread. Death will kiss ya, yeah. Fuck around with the militia, stalking to the big homie Nate walked in.
Same old niggas in the same old place. Long Beach City is where I was raised. I keep my heater right by my side. Won't stop mashing till I get my prize. Even if you're blind, we can make you see the perfect combination, Nate and Warren G. When we bust, we hit them every time. Ain't no secret, it's about that time.